Hello everyone. In today's video, I'll show you how to duplicate apps on your iPhone. Duplicating apps allows you to use multiple accounts for the same application, like having two Facebook or Instagram accounts running simultaneously on one device. Follow these instructions carefully to set this up. First, open the App Store on your iPhone. In the search bar at the top, type Dual Apps or Dual Accounts and look for apps that allow you to manage multiple accounts on one device. Examples include dual accounts or similar apps designed for this purpose. Download and install one of these apps on your phone. Once the app has been installed, open it. On the main screen, you should see an option to add or duplicate apps. Usually, this is indicated by a plus icon or a button labeled Add App. Tap on it to proceed. Now, let's add an app to duplicate. For this example, start with Facebook. From the list of available apps, select Facebook and tap Done or Add. The app will then ask you to set up your new Facebook instance. Enter a username for this duplicated account and tap Submit to finalize the setup. After adding the app, you can now use it as a separate account. Open the dual app you just set up, tap on Facebook, and log in using the credentials for your second account. Once you're logged in, you can easily switch between your primary Facebook app and this duplicated version within the Dual Apps Manager. Next, let's try duplicating another app like Instagram. Tap on the plus icon again and select Instagram from the list. Tap Add or Done to proceed. Open the duplicated Instagram app within the Dual Apps Manager and enter the login details for your second Instagram account. Once logged in, you can use two Instagram accounts at the same time, one in the regular Instagram app and the other in the duplicated version. You can repeat this process for other apps like WhatsApp, Telegram, Snapchat, or Gmail, depending on the supported apps in your Dual App Manager. Each duplicated app will run independently, allowing you to maintain separate accounts without logging in and out repeatedly. That is how you can easily duplicate apps on your iPhone and manage multiple accounts efficiently. Thanks for watching.